Here's another daily tip from your friendly local dermatologist. Okay, leukocytoclastic vasculitis, and guys, I'm so sorry for these names, but it basically means that you're having a vasculitis, and the word there to remember is vascu, so vascular, blood vessels. So your blood vessels are getting inflamed. And for this disease, it's the small blood vessels. So small blood vessels getting inflamed, what does that look like? Well, if you think about it, your small blood vessels are getting inflamed, and therefore the areas that are going to show up in your skin are going to be areas where blood tends to pool or collect or maybe swell throughout the day. And that would be your lower legs if you're ambulatory. If you're bedridden, it might be the back because you're laying on your back. But wherever blood is pooling, that means the immune part of your body that is attacking or eating or inflaming these small blood vessels, it's going to show where there's more blood present. So, lower legs. Now this can be caused from a ton of different things, from medications to infections to, gosh, so many different things. So you really need to talk to your local dermatologist about why you're having this, about how to diagnose it, what laboratory tests are appropriate for your history, and how to treat it. But the most important thing is that you've got something new going on in your body. And if it's in an area that is where blood tends to swell or collect, then maybe you have a vasculitis.